Before you decide to purchase Vertex sales tax software, there are a few things you need to know to ensure you're making the right choice. Stick around as we walk you through the 12 key factors to consider before jumping in. First, it's important to understand that Vertex specializes in sales tax automation for larger businesses. While it's an excellent choice for big companies with complex tax needs, it might not be the best fit for smaller businesses, especially when compared to simpler alternatives like TaxJar or Avalara. Next thing, Vertex offers robust integration with major ERP systems like SAP and Oracle, making it perfect for large enterprises. However, if you're a small business, this might be overkill, and simpler integrations might suit you better. The third thing to consider is the scalability. Vertex is designed to handle complex transactions and large volumes of data. If you anticipate growth or have a large transaction base, this software can grow with your needs, but for small businesses, this can be excessive and costly. The fourth thing is pricing. Vertex doesn't publicly list its pricing, which can make it tricky to compare to competitors like Avalara or TaxJar, which have clear and predictable pricing models. So if budget transparency is important, this could be a hurdle. Next, Vertex provides tax calculation and compliance services across multiple jurisdictions, but keep in mind that it might take a longer implementation time compared to other solutions. If you need a fast setup, solutions like TaxJar may offer a quicker setup process. Another factor to consider is support. Vertex offers strong customer support, but it's tailored more for large enterprises. Small businesses might find their customer service options more complex and less personalized compared to other providers. The seventh thing you need to know is the user interface. While powerful, the interface can feel overwhelming if you're not familiar with complex tax systems. Competitors like Avalara tend to offer simpler, more intuitive dashboards. Moving on, Vertex provides excellent tax reporting capabilities. This is a huge plus for businesses operating in multiple states or countries. However, if your operations are limited to one or two jurisdictions, the extensive reporting tools might not be necessary. The ninth thing is its flexibility. Vertex is highly customizable, which is a great feature for large companies with specific tax needs. On the other hand, if you're looking for a plug-and-play solution, it might not be the easiest option to implement. Next, Vertex offers advanced features like exemption certificate management, tax rate data, and audit support. These are all critical for larger businesses, but may be excessive for smaller businesses, where simpler tools would suffice. Another point to keep in mind is the speed of updates. With sales tax regulations constantly changing, Vertex does a good job of staying updated, but implementation of those changes can take longer than with competitors like TaxJar, which are known for quicker updates. Finally, Vertex is a good option for larger businesses looking to automate sales tax and ensure compliance across multiple jurisdictions. However, if you're a smaller business or just starting out, you might find more affordable and easier to use options that can fit your needs better. In conclusion, while Vertex offers great features for big enterprises with complex tax requirements, it's not always the best fit for smaller businesses or those seeking a quick and simple solution. If you're looking for a better option that can provide a seamless experience and that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution below.